to second Roman, second one. Obtain the differential equation of each of the following family of curves. That is, first one, the rectangular hyperbolas, the rectangular hyperbolas, whose axes are coordinate axes, whose axes are coordinate axes, and having coordinate axis having asymptotes, whose coordinate axis having asymptotes, coordinate axes are having asymptotes. That means equation of hyperbola, equation of rectangular hyperbola, xy equal to c square, where c is constant, xy equal to c square. Now differentiating on both sides, UV rule, that implies x into dy by dx plus y into 1 equal to 0. That is required differential equation of rectangular hyperbola whose coordinate axes are as asymptotes. That is first one. Next, second one, the ellipse with centers at the origin and having coordinate axis as axis. The ellipses with centers at the origin, the ellipses with the centers as origin and axes are coordinate axis. That is family of the curves. The ellipses with centers as origin and axes are coordinate axis. That is the family of the curves. That means equation of the ellipse is of the form, equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, whereas a comma b are parameters because family of the curves with center as origin and coordinate axis as axis. Therefore, a and b are parameters. A comma b are parameters. Next, differentiating on both sides with respect to x, we get differentiating on both sides with respect to x, we get 2x by a square plus 2y into y dash by b square equal to 0. 2x by a square plus 2y into y dash by b square equal to 0. Next, from this 2x by a square equal to minus 2y y dash by b square. That implies 2 cancelled. A square by b square equal to minus x by y dash. That is one of the equations. Next, again differentiating with respect to x, differentiating equation 1, we get 2 by a square 2 into y double dash plus y dash into y dash by b square equal to 0. Next, that implies 1 by a square equal to minus y double dash plus y dash square by b square. That implies a square by b square equal to minus 1 by y double dash plus y dash square. Here also a square by b square. Therefore, equating a square by b square, we get minus x by y double dash y dash equal to minus 1 by y double dash plus y dash square. That implies y dash minus x y double dash minus x y dash square equal to 0. That is differential equation with order 2, second derivative, because there are two parameters a and b. Therefore, second derivative y double dash d square y by dx square. First of all, family of the curve is the ellipses with the centers as origin and the axes are coordinate axes. Equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Here a and b are parameters. Why? Because origin fixed, center fixed, axis fixed. Remaining parameters are a and b, whereas length of the major axis and length of the minor axis are parameters. Therefore, differentiating on both sides with respect to x, we get 2x by a square plus 2y dash by b square equal to 0. That implies 2x by a square minus 2y dash by b square. That implies a square by b square equal to minus x by y dash. Differentiating equation 1, we get 2 by a square plus 2 into y double dash plus y dash square by b square equal to 0. That implies 1 by a square equal to minus of y double dash plus y dash square by square. That implies a square by b square equal to minus 1 by y double dash plus y dash square. Here also a square by b square. Equating two terms, we get y dash minus x y double dash minus x y dash square equal to 0. That is second order differential equation, because a and b are two parameters. Okay. Next, third Roman first one. Find the third Roman first one. Form the differential equations of the following family of circles where parameters are given in brackets. Forming differential equation where parameters are given in brackets. Third Roman first one, y equal to a into e power 3x, b into e power 4x, whereas parameters are a comma b. Parameters are a comma b. Y equal to a into e power 3x, b into e power 4x, whereas parameters are a comma b. There are two parameters, therefore differentiating with respect to x two times to eliminate a and b. First derivative, differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal to a into e power 3x, 3x in a derivative 3, b into e power 4x, 4x in a derivative 4. Next, again differentiating with respect to x, again differentiating with respect to x. We get d square y by dx square equal to a into e power 3x into 3, 3 into 3, 9a e power 3x 16b e power 4x, 16b e power 4x. Okay, here a 3a, here 9a, here 4b, 16b. Okay, now we can eliminate ab, eliminate ab. This is given equation, that is a into e power 3x b into e power 4x minus y equal to 0. After first differentiating we get 3a e power 3x 4b e power 4x minus y dash equal to 0. After second derivative we get 9a e power 3x 16b e power 4x minus y double dash equal to 0. From these three equations we can eliminate a and b. Equation number 1, 2 and 3. We can eliminate a and b. That means det of a coefficient e power 3x, b coefficient e power 4x minus y. Here a coefficient 3 into e power 3x, b coefficient 4 into e power 4x minus y dash. Similarly 9 into e power 3x, 16 into e power 4x equal to 0. Okay. Now det e power 3x into minus 4 into e power 4x y double dash plus y dash into 16 e power 4x. Next, minus e power 4x det minus 3 y double dash e power 3x plus y dash 9 into e power 3x minus y into 48 e power 3x into e power 4x e power 7x minus 9 fourths 36 e power 7x equal to 0. Okay. E power 3x, e power 4x common out, e power 7x minus 4y double dash plus y double dash minus 3y double dash. Next, e power 3x, e power 4x, e power 7x minus 3y double dash plus 9y dash e power 7x 48y minus 36y equal to 0. E power 7x common out. That implies minus 3y double dash plus 3y double dash. Minus 3y double dash minus into minus plus 3y double dash. 16 minus 4, here 12. 16 minus 4, 12y double dash plus 3y double dash, 15y double dash. Next y dash minus 9y dash, 48y minus 36y minus 12y. That is differential equation. That is differential equation of the given curve y equal to a into e power 3x plus b into e power 4x, whereas a comma b parameters differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal to a into e power 3x 3 plus b into e power 4x into 4. Again differentiating with respect to x, d square y by dx square equal to 9 into a into 3 e power 3x plus 16 into b into e power 4x. These three are given equations. Therefore, forming these three equations we can eliminate a, b, forming det method. Det method e power 3x e power 4x minus y, a coefficient 3 into e power 3x, b coefficient 4 into e power 4x minus y dash, 9 into e power 3x, 16 into e power 4x minus y double dash. Here also another method. Of course, first column e power 3x common out. Second column e power 4x common out. Okay. That implies 1, 3, 9. Second column e power 4x 1, 4, 16. Minus common out y, y dash, y double dash equal to 0. That implies det 1 into 4 y double dash minus 16 y dash minus 1 into 3 y double dash minus 9 y dash plus y into 16, 3 is 48 minus 36 equal to 0. That is 4 y double dash 3 y double dash minus 3 y double dash minus 16 y dash plus 9 y dash minus 7 y dash 12 y 48 minus 36 12 y, that is required differential equation. Whereas a comma b parameters y equal to ax square plus bx, whereas a comma b parameters, there are two parameters, therefore first derivative and second derivative. First of all, first derivative, differentiating with respect to x, we get y dash equal to 2ax plus b. That is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. Next, again differentiating with respect to x, we get y double dash equal to 2a. That is equation number 3. From this 2a equal to y double dash, from 2 y dash equal to 2a equal to y double dash x plus b, that implies b equal to y dash minus x y double dash, b equal to y dash minus x y double dash. Substitute in a and b values in equation number 1. From 1, y equal to ax square, a means y double dash by 2x square, plus b means y dash minus x y double dash of x, to LCM 2y equal to x square y double dash minus 2x square y double dash minus 2y dash minus x square y double dash. Therefore, left side transposing, x square into d square y by dx square minus 2 into dy by dx plus 2y equal to 0. That is differential equation of the given curve y equal to ax square plus bx. Differential equation of the given curve y equal to ax square plus bx, whereas a comma b are parameters. First of all, differentiating with respect to x, we get y dash equal to 2ax plus b. Again differentiating, we get y double dash equal to 2a. We can find out a value. Substitute a value in equation number 2, we get b value. Then substituting a and b values in equation number 1, we get differential equation by eliminating a and b. Next, third one, ax square plus by square equal to 1. Ax square plus by square equal to 1. Ax square plus by square equal to 1, where parameters a comma b. Ax square plus by square equal to 1, where parameters a comma b. Here also two parameters a and b. We can eliminate them by using differentiating with respect to x first time and second time, because two parameters. First derivative, differentiating with respect to x. differentiating with respect to x, we get 2ax plus 2by y dash equal to 0. 2ax plus 2by y dash equal to 0. That implies 2ax equal to minus 2by y dash. That implies y dash by x equal to minus 2a by 2b. Y dash by x equal to minus 2a by 2b. Again differentiating. We get u by v rule. U by v. V into u dash y double dash plus y dash into y dash minus y dash x derivative 1 by x square equal to constant 0. Constant derivative 0. Therefore, cross multiplication we get x y double dash x y dash square minus y double dash y dash equal to 0. That implies xy into d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx whole square y into dy by dx equal to 0. That is differential equation of the given curve ax square plus by square equal to 1, whereas parameters are a comma b. First derivative 2ax plus 2by y dash equal to 0. From this we get y dash by x equal to separating constant term minus 2a by 2b. Differentiating on both sides we get u by v rule equal to constant term derivative 0. Therefore, eliminating a and b. That is required differential equation of the given curve ax square plus by square equal to 1. Next, fourth one xy equal to ax square plus b by x. Xy equal to ax square plus b by x, whereas parameters a comma b. Xy equal to ax square plus b by x. There are two parameters, again 2 times derivatives. First time derivative, differentiating with respect to x, we get u v rule x into y dash plus y into 1 equal to 2ax minus b by x square. That is equation number 2. Next, second derivative. Again, differentiating with respect to x. With respect to x, we get u v rule x into y double dash y dash into 1 plus y dash equal to 2a minus 1 by x square derivative 2 by x cube. That is equation number 3. 2a plus 2b by x cube, equation number 3. Now, eliminating 2a and 2b or eliminating a and b. Equation is xy equal to ax square plus bx. Eliminating a and b. From this we can find out 2a. 2a equal to, we can find out 2a. X cube LCM 2a x cube plus 2b equal this one, or 2ax a minus b by x square by x, both sides by x minus b by x cube. 2b by x cube, 2b by x cube cancelled. Okay, eliminating a and b. Okay, now, or multiplying on both sides x by 2, multiplying on both sides x by 2, multiplying x by 2, multiplying on both sides equation 3 with x by 2, x by 2 into x by 3, x square y double dash by 2, x y dash by 2, x y dash by 2, x by 2 ax, x by 2 b by x square, that is 4. Adding 2 and 4 we get, adding 2 and 4, 2 plus 4 we get x square y double dash by 2, x y dash by 2, x y dash, x y dash plus x y dash, 2x y dash plus y, ax to ax, 3ax, that is 3ax. From this we get a value, a value. From this we get 2a substituting equation 3 we get b value plus 2xy dash plus y equal to 3ax. From this a equal to x square y double dash by 6x, 2x y double dash by 3x, y by 3x, that is x y double dash by 6, 2y dash by 3, y by 3x, a. This is a. Next, from 3, 2b by x cube equal to xy double dash plus 2y dash minus 2a, xy double dash plus 2y dash minus 2a, minus 2 into this one xy double dash by 3, minus 4y dash by 3, minus 2y by 3x, that is 2b by x cube. That implies b by x equal to x square x cube y dash by 2, 2x square y by 2, x square x cube y double dash by 6, 4x square y dash by 6, 2x square y by 6x, b by x. Therefore, b by x equal to x cube y dash by 2, 2 to cancel x square y, x cube y double dash by 6, 2 to cancel 2x square y dash by 3, x cancel, xy by 3, x square y dash x square x cube y dash, b by x ax square. From 1 we get xy equal to ax square, this one x cube y double dash by 6 plus 2x square y dash by 3 plus yx by 3, okay, ax square plus b by x plus x cube y dash by 2 plus x square y minus x cube y double dash by 6 minus 2x square y dash by 3 minus xy by 3. Therefore, that implies we get x square into d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus y equal to 0. That is differential equation of ax square plus b by x. X square d square y by 2x into dy by dx minus 2y, 2x into dy by dx minus 2y. That is differential equation of the curve xy equal to ax square plus bx. Obtain the differential equation whose corresponds to each of the following family of the curves. Family of the curves. To first family of the curve. First one is the circles which touches y-axis at the origin. Which touches y-axis at the origin. Touches y-axis means f square equal to c. Passing through origin c equal to f equal to 0. Therefore, equation of the circle which touches y-axis at the origin is of the form x square plus y square plus 2 lambda x equal to 0, because general circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equal to 0, but it touches y axis, that implies f square equal to 0, because passing through origin c equal to 0, f0 c0, therefore x square plus y square plus 2 lambda x equal to 0. Only lambda is parameter. Differentiating one time. We get 2x plus 2y y dash plus 2 lambda equal to 0. That implies 2 lambda equal to minus 2x minus 2y y dash. Substitute in equation 1. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y y dash of x equal to 0. Y square minus 2x square plus x square minus x square minus 2xy dy by dx equal to 0. That is differential equation of the curves which touches y axis at the origin. That curve is circle, that is x square plus y square minus x square minus 2xy dy by dx. Okay, family of the circles. Next, second one, the parabolas each of the which has a lateral rectum 4a and whose axes are parallel to x axis. Whose axes are parallel to x axis. That is parabola equation y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. Y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h, because the equation of the family of the parabolas whose length of the lattice rectum 4a and axis is parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis means either right side or left side. Right side y square equal 4ax model, otherwise left side y square equal minus 4ax. Therefore, vertex h comma k, y minus k whole square equal 4a into x minus h. Here parameters are h comma k. Therefore, differentiating with respect to x, we get 2 into y minus k into y dash 4a. 2 into y minus k into y dash equal to 4a. That is the equation number. Ante y minus k into y dash equal to 2a. Equation number 2. Equation number 1. H comma k parameters. Again differentiating with respect to x because 2 parameters. Again differentiating with respect to x. That implies UV rule, y minus k into y double dash plus y dash into y dash equal to 0. That implies y minus k equal to minus y dash square by y double dash. That is equation number 3. Y minus k, okay. Next we can find out x minus k. X minus k. Y minus k, okay, no problem. From this you can find out x minus k, or substitute in equation 2. Substitute y minus k value in equation 2, we get minus y dash square by y double dash y dash equal to 2a. Okay na? Minus y dash square by y double dash into y dash equal to 2a. That implies 2a d square y by dx square plus y dash dy by dx whole cube equal to 0. That is differential equation whose axes are parallel to x axis and lattice rectum having lattice rectum 4a. First of all, equation of the form y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. Differentiating with respect to x, we get 2 into y minus k, inner derivative of y dash, 4a into x 4a into h constant 0. That implies y minus k into y dash equal to 2a. Okay. Again differentiating with respect to x, y minus k uv rule, y minus k into y double dash y dash equal to 0, y minus k equal to minus y dash square by y double dash, substituting equation 2 y minus k value, therefore equation 2 becomes minus y dash square by y double dash y dash equal to 2a, that is 2a into d square y by dx square plus x in dy by dx whole cube, dy by dx whole cube. The parabolas having their foci at the origin and axis along the x axis, foci at the origin. Okay. Parabolas having foci at the origin. Origin means s equal to 0 comma 0. That is parabola form. Third one, the parabolas having their foci at the origin, having their foci at the origin and axis along x axis, axis along x axis, axis along x axis. Focus, this focus is 0 comma 0, focus is 0 comma, that means vertex is minus a comma 0 because distance between focus and vertex a, therefore vertex is minus a comma 0. Therefore parabola, family of the parabolas minus a comma 0, y square equal to 4a into x plus a, 4a into x plus a, that is family of the parabolas because vertex is focus is origin, that means vertex minus a comma 0 because distance between vertex and focus is a. Okay. Therefore parabola y square equal y minus k whole square, y minus 0 whole square equal 4a into x minus h. Next, differentiating with respect to x, here only a is parameter is only a here. Okay, parameter is only a, therefore differentiating with respect to x, we get 2y dash 4a, that implies a equal to y dash by 2. Substitute in equation 1, we get y square equal to 4 into y dash by 2 and 2y dash x plus y dash by 2. Y cancelled, y cancelled. Y equal to 2y dash, 2x y dash 2 cancel, y dash square. Therefore, y into dy by dx whole square plus 2x into dy by dx minus y equal to 0. That is differential equation of the curve whose foci at the origin axis along x axis, axis along x axis. Okay. Here focus S a comma 0, automatically vertex minus a comma 0 because distance between focus and vertex is small a. Therefore, left side minus a comma 0. Next, parabola form y minus k whole square equal 4a into x minus h. Here h comma k is minus a comma 0, y square equal 4a into x plus a. Differentiating with respect to x, we get a value. Substituting a value in given parabola y square equal 4a into x plus a, we get y into dy by dx whole square plus 2x into dy by dx minus y equal 0. Here a is parameter. Therefore, we can eliminate a. That is required differential equation of the given parabolas.